I recently did a video on converting LED or converting fluorescent light fixtures to LED. And the reason I did that was I was redoing the lights in my shop. And let me walk in this room and show you. Okay, so when I walk in, the lights just automatically come on. And the reason that is because I've got this occupancy sensor right here, or a motion detector switch, some people call them. And what it does is as I enter a room, all the lights come on, and as I leave 5 minutes later, the lights go out. And I've put that in all the rooms in my shop, and that way I don't have to worry about leaving a light on or something like that. And I've converted over pretty much to all LED lights. And so the thing about that, they don't take very much electricity, so I've wound up putting all of the lights in each room on the occupancy sensor. Let me go to the next room and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see in here I put up these LED lights, and I'll try to remember to put a link in the description for you in case you're interested in these. You basically get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 fluorescent fixtures. I think it was $50 for 4 of those sections, and they all link together. But anyway, so the lights in this room, those are the overhead lights, and then you can see on the side I've got some other lights there, and then I've got some more lights that I have over my bench top, and then more lights over here, and then lights over here on the side. And those used to all be separate, and you had to come in and turn them on and all of that. Also, over here on my lathe back here, see, I've got lights over the top of it, and I've got a light right here that's wired in, and also this tachometer is all wired in. But I have a switch where I can, cut that one out of the circuit, or I can leave it in the circuit. But anyway, that way when I walk in, all the lights come on and I'm ready to work. I don't have to go around and flip them all on at the different places and all that kind of stuff. And then when I leave, it all turns off and I don't have to worry about leaving them on, which I've done quite a few times before. Anyway, I thought this might be interesting to you. I really like them. I've always kind of liked automation, and I like that when I come in, the lights come on for me. So anyway, I'll put a link to some in the description in case this is something you're interested in. I've mounted mine separate, but you can actually take the switch out and put them. That's what most people do. You take the switch out and you put it in place of the switch, and you can actually, let me show you next door. You can actually, not only is the motion sensor turn the lights on, but you can hit this button and turn them off and on with that as well. So they are also manual. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to you, or at least interesting. Thank you for watching.